Here it is. Now, no engine in there. And no interior. Now here's the problem. I got that. I got that. And a bit of a flintstone floor going on. But all doable for this year. Once things are warmed up, we can get on with it. What will we be doing? That just needs a top coat of paint on there. But really I'm not going to do much for the outside. Just get her up and running. We've got brakes to do and some seals and things. But otherwise, that'll be it. That's my son. My daughter. First snow this year. There's a snow lady. Snow girl.
Snow girl. She's not a lady, she's too small.
Really?